What's up, people? Welcome to Bharti Yoga. Today we'll be doing 5 asanas that are great for blasting those love handles and shaping up the abs.
The first is the gate pose or Parighasana. The second is the side angle pose or Utthita Parsvkonasana. The third is the good old plank with a twist. The fourth is Shashank bhujangasana. And finally, the fifth is Vakrasana. Alright, so before we start, let's do a quick warm-up. We will start with a dynamic twist called Chakrasana. Stand with feet hip distance apart with toes pointing in front. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, start twisting to the right. Keep the left hand on the right shoulder and wrap the right hand behind the back. Come back and repeat for the left side. As you exhale, twist to the left, keeping the right hand on the left shoulder and left hand wrapped back. Come back. Now let us repeat this 5 times on each side in quick successions. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come back. Make sure you keep your entire feet firmly on the ground. We have a tendency to lift the heels, so avoid doing that. Come back once done. Awesome. Now we will do some side bends. Interlace your fingers in front. Then as you start inhaling, extend your hands up. As you exhale, start bending towards the right. Focus on elongating the spine and extend out rather than bending down. Then slowly come back. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, bend to the left. Repeat this a couple of more times on each side. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend. Last time. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend. Slowly come back. Now let's get down on our knees. Extend your right leg out to the side. Keep your right feet in line with the left knee. Then as you inhale, take your left hand up. As you exhale, start bending to the right. Make sure your body and the right leg are all in one plane. So if we look from the side, we should see the torso right above the legs without hips protruding out. Awesome. Come back. Let's do this 2 more times on the same side. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, slide to the right. Stay for a breath and then come back. 1 more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, slide. Now as you come back, extend your left hand to the ground to do a gentle counter stretch. Take a deep breath here and come back. Beautiful. Now let's repeat the entire set on the left side. Extend the left leg out. As you inhale, extend the right hand up, and as you exhale, bend down. Stay for a breath and then come back. Repeat this 2 more times at your own pace. Come back once done. Extend to the right to do a counter stretch. Now we will do one of my favorite poses, Utthita Parsvkonasana, or the side angle pose. Spread your feet wide. Rotate the right leg so that it points to your right. Start bending the right leg till it makes a 90-degree angle at the knees. Keep your right hand in front of the right feet and extend the left hand up diagonally so that it is touching the left ear. If this is too much for you, you can keep the right hand on your thigh. We will stay in this pose for 10 seconds. Push the left hip down to make sure that the left hand, left hip, and the feet are all in one straight line. Come back once done. Let us repeat this for the left side. Focus on maintaining your alignment. Make sure your left knee is right above the ankle. Come back once done. Shake your legs and we will repeat this once more on each side. Come into the pose on the right side and hold for 10 seconds. Very good. Last time on the left side. I have found this asana to be really effective for reducing my waist and toning the thighs. As you build stamina, you can take this up to hold for even 30 seconds. Awesome. Next is the plank. Get onto your knees and elbows. Take a deep breath here to steady yourself. Then when you're ready, raise the knees and come into a plank position. We will hold this for 20 seconds. Keep your core tight and sucked in. Also, keep pushing your ankles towards the floor, which helps in maintaining the alignment. Make sure your hips are in line with the body and not protruding up. And we are done. Awesome. Come to child's pose and relax. We will repeat this one more time. Come into a plank. We will stay here for the first 10 seconds. After that, we will start twisting side to side while maintaining the plank. Let's start. Keep breathing normally. Keep the belly sucked in and shoulders firm. Come into child's pose to relax. Take a few deep relaxing breaths here. From here, slowly start sliding forward and come into a Cobra pose. Take a deep breath in here. As you exhale, come back into child's pose. We will repeat this a few more times. As you inhale, slide forward into Cobra. Stay for a breath. And then come back. Repeat twice at your own pace. Cobra pose, in addition to stretching the abdomen, is great for strengthening the back as well. Make sure you keep your shoulders relaxed. Keep breathing normally. Stay in child's pose once you are done and just relax. Finally, we will do a twist. Sit down and extend your legs in front of you. Keep your spine straight. You can take the support of your hands if you need to. Bend your right leg and keep the right foot next to the left knee. As you inhale, take the left hand up. As you exhale, bring the left elbow to the outside of the right knee. Place the right hand behind at the middle of the back and gaze over the right shoulder. Stay here for a breath and then release slowly. Let us repeat for the left side. This is a great twist for lower abdomen. It stretches the oblique muscles, massages the abdominal organs, and realigns the spine as well. Slowly come back and lie down in Shavasana.
That's all we have for today. Do let me know in the comments if there are any issues you would like to solve through yoga, and I would love to make some videos on them. See you next time.